Photography enthusiasts, listen up. The year 2025 promises to be a groundbreaking chapter for Nikon. Whether you're a seasoned pro chasing cutting-edge innovations or a tech-savvy hobbyist looking for your next upgrade, you're in the right place. Imagine this: revolutionary image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and cinematic video capabilities, all packed into the latest cameras Nikon is rumored to release. Today, we'll dive into 5 game-changing Nikon cameras that could redefine how you capture the world. But here's the twist. Some of these cameras are shrouded in mystery, with whispers of features that might just blow your mind. Stick around, because we'll unveil each one, feature by feature, with a few surprises along the way. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update about the latest gear. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we have the highly anticipated Nikon Z5 Mark II. If you're looking for an entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera that punches way above its weight, this could be your new best friend. Rumored to hit the market in early 2025, the Z5 Mark II is expected to be priced around $1,500 to $1,600, making it a fantastic option for enthusiasts who want more than what an entry-level model offers without breaking the bank. So, what makes the Z5 Mark II stand out? Let's start with the sensor. We're looking at a 24.5 megapixel full-frame, backside illuminated CMOS sensor, which means you're getting excellent low-light performance and superb detail. Whether you're capturing landscapes at sunset or nighttime cityscapes, this sensor is designed to impress. Couple that with the new X-Speed 7 image processor, and you get lightning-fast performance with improved color accuracy and dynamic range. In short, this processor will give your photos that extra pop and will keep up with fast-paced photography like sports or street photography. And yes, the Z5 Mark II isn't just a stills powerhouse. It also offers 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second. And for those looking to get more creative with their footage, full HD recording at 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. This is perfect for capturing high-action moments with the crispest details. Now, if you're a portrait or wildlife photographer, you're going to love this next feature. The Z5 Mark II comes with a 273-point hybrid autofocus system with both eye and animal detection. This means your subject, whether human or animal, stays perfectly in focus. No more missed shots or blurry faces. Plus, with 5-axis in-body image stabilization, handheld shots just got a lot easier. Whether you're shooting in low light or at slower shutter speeds, you'll experience less camera shake, giving you that crisp, clear shot every time. And for those who love flexibility, the Z5 Mark II has a tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen LCD for easy composition at weird angles. No more struggling to find the right shot from awkward positions. Connectivity? You're covered there too with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing seamless transfer of your photos directly to your smartphone or laptop. And for those long shoots, the Z5 Mark II supports USB-C charging and power delivery. No more running out of battery on the go. The Z5 Mark II is shaping up to be the perfect all-rounder for anyone looking to take their photography to the next level, all while keeping things affordable. So, what's the verdict on this powerhouse? If you're a content creator who needs great image quality, superb autofocus, and reliable video performance, you'll want to keep an eye on the Z5 Mark II. Next up, let's talk about the rumored Nikon Z9H, which is speculated to be the high-speed evolution of the legendary Z9. If Nikon's latest prototype comes to life, the Z9H will redefine high-performance cameras, especially in the realm of sports and wildlife photography. This camera is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 20-megapixel sensor with a readout speed of just 0.4 milliseconds. Yes, you heard that right. Lightning-fast data transfer that ensures you capture every single action frame with zero rolling shutter artifacts. Under the hood, the Z9H is said to pack dual X-Speed 7 processors, which should allow for faster processing speeds and better overall image quality. With such powerful internals, expect lightning-fast autofocus, rapid continuous shooting rates, and the kind of image clarity that's second to none. Speaking of autofocus, the Z9H will likely sport some of the most advanced autofocus technology Nikon has ever put into a mirrorless body. With a rumored 123-point hybrid AF system, combined with the ability to sync with flash speeds of up to 1/2000th of a second, this camera is built for action. Think about it. Freeze motion like never before, whether it's athletes in the middle of a sprint or a hummingbird hovering in midair. And Nikon isn't skimping on durability either. With a rugged, weather-sealed body, the Z9H is built to withstand extreme conditions, ideal for outdoor sports and wildlife photographers who shoot in unpredictable environments. Now, as for pricing, the Z9H is expected to fall somewhere in the $6,000 to $6,500 range, a steep investment, but one that's worth it for those who need top-tier performance. So, if you're a professional sports photographer or someone who demands precision and speed from your camera, the Z9H will likely be a serious contender for your next upgrade. Finally, let's talk about the Nikon Z7 III. For all the resolution junkies out there, this is the camera you've been waiting for. With a rumored price of over $3,500, the Z7 III is shaping up to be the ultimate high-resolution mirrorless camera for professionals and enthusiasts alike. First, let's talk about that sensor. The Z7 III is said to feature a mind-blowing 90-megapixel full-frame BSICMOS sensor. If you need detail and dynamic range, this is your ticket to creating images with jaw-dropping clarity and tonal depth. And for videographers, the Z7 III is rumored to shoot 8K video at 60 frames per second. Yes, you heard that right. 8K video, 60 frames per second. It's perfect for those of you who need ultra-high-definition video that can be cropped or resized without losing detail. The Z7 III will also come with Nikon's 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, ensuring that your handheld shots stay steady, even in lower light or when you're using longer lenses. So, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or high-definition video, the Z7 III will offer you the ultimate in image quality and versatility. Now let's dive into the Nikon Z90, a camera that's expected to fill the gap between the entry-level Z50 and the high-end Z6 series. Nikon has hinted at this being their answer to the highly competitive mid-range mirrorless market, and from what we've heard, it could easily be a game-changer. Priced around $1,200, the Z90 is positioned as the perfect camera for enthusiasts and semi-professionals alike who want performance without breaking the bank. First, let's talk design. The Z90 is rumored to feature a compact, yet robust build with a deeper grip for better handling. This makes it an excellent choice for travel photographers, or those who need a camera that can go anywhere without weighing them down. Plus, it's likely to have weather sealing, ensuring you can keep shooting even in tough conditions. When it comes to performance, the Z90 is rumored to be equipped with a 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor. This sensor will likely deliver great image quality with plenty of dynamic range and impressive low-light performance. Combine that with the next-gen dual-pixel AF2 system, and you've got a camera that locks onto your subject quickly and accurately, even in fast-moving scenarios. For video, the Z90 will likely shoot 4K UHD at up to 60 frames per second, making it a powerful tool for videographers who need professional quality footage in a compact body. With 10-bit 422 video output, you'll also have plenty of flexibility for color grading and post-production, perfect for creators looking for cinematic looks on a budget. And speaking of usability, the Z90 is expected to have a fully articulated touchscreen, making it an ideal choice for vloggers or content creators who need a versatile and intuitive interface. Whether you're shooting at low angles, high angles, or simply framing your shots in front of you, this screen will make your life a lot easier. The Z90 could quickly become the go-to mirrorless camera for enthusiasts and content creators who need a compact, high-performing camera at an affordable price. It's rumored to hit the market in the first quarter of 2025, and we can't wait to see how it stacks up in real-world use. Next up, let's talk about something that's truly exciting for professional photographers: the Nikon Komodo Z. This is a camera that's rumored to be Nikon's flagship model for professionals, and it's designed to take the world of high-end photography by storm. With a rumored price tag of around $6,000, this camera is geared towards those who need top-tier performance and incredible durability. The Komodo Z is expected to feature a staggering 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering jaw-dropping image detail that will satisfy even the most demanding photographers. Whether you're working on commercial shoots, weddings, or fine art photography, the Komodo Z promises to offer the ultimate resolution and dynamic range. And what about autofocus? The Komodo Z is rumored to include a next-gen 3D hybrid autofocus system, ensuring you won't miss a shot, no matter how fast your subject moves. With ultra-fast tracking and real-time face and eye detection, you'll get crisp, in-focus shots even in the most challenging conditions. Let's not forget the video capabilities. The Komodo Z is expected to shoot 8K video at up to 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. This will give filmmakers and content creators incredible flexibility for slow-motion shots, cinematic bokeh, and rich color grading. Plus, with its 12-bit RAW video output, professionals will have the ability to manipulate footage without losing quality. Durability will be one of the Komodo Z's standout features. It's rumored to have an all-metal, weather-sealed body that can withstand harsh environments. This makes it the ideal choice for photographers and videographers working in tough conditions, such as extreme weather or outdoor shoots. The Komodo Z could be Nikon's flagship mirrorless camera for professionals who need the best in both photo and video capabilities. If the rumors are true, this camera will be a serious contender in the high-end market when it launches in 2025. As we've seen, Nikon's upcoming mirrorless cameras, the Z90 and Komodo Z, are shaping up to be true powerhouses for photographers and videographers alike. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a compact, affordable option like the Z90 or a seasoned pro in need of the ultimate, in high-performance gear with the Komodo Z, Nikon's future lineup promises to deliver something for everyone. While we'll have to wait until 2025 to see if these rumors hold true, one thing's for sure. Nikon is pushing the boundaries and setting new standards in the mirrorless camera space. If you're excited to learn more about these cameras and what Nikon has in store, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which of these rumored cameras has you most excited. Until next time, keep shooting.